Hey guys, alright, so I've done a couple of assemblies. I can't remember whether I videoed this or not, but I did put them together. But I did the other side, and also did, I believe that's going to be the metal piece. I don't know, I may be wrong about that. I can't remember how it's put together. But anyhow, those three pieces are done. We got the second round wood putty that I need to sand off, and that'll be good for the top. What I'm working on now, what I figured out was I needed to pre-drill some pocket holes on these top braces going in this direction, so that the tabletop or the desktop can be attached with the pocket holes. So I'm going to have to drill them in two of the long top braces. Actually shows it better in the picture here. Two of the, let's see, this one and this one, and then the sides in the middle. So basically the top sides of these, so I can attach the top. So I had to relearn the Craig system, and I finally found this PDF here that shows what setting and what screw whenever you're going into different pieces of lumber, because the braces are the 2x4, so 1.5, and of course the tabletop after planed is less than 3/4, so it's basically on the Craig setting. It's 1 inch for the collar, so 1 inch, and then also 1 inch for the I don't even know what you call this piece, but and then 1 1/4 screws will go in to the desktop from the bottom, and everything should work out perfect. I did it on a couple pieces of test lumber, and it turned out okay. So I'm not going to film drilling pocket holes. You can see here where I'm going to put them. I started out at 4 inches, and then every 6 inches after that. And I'll do something similar to these pieces. I just wanted to mention to do that before I started putting everything together, because it would make it kind of hard to do those after the fact. So I'll go ahead and get all those pocket holes done, and I'll probably film some assembly if I have time today. And I really need to sand that off, but I made a huge mess. So dusty, so I may do it last, or get my air cleaner going. It's all the way on the other side. That would be the smart thing to do. So anyhow, that's where we stand.